Peanut! Oh shit! I take it they didn't plow yet. This is my road. A good 6 or 8 inches of snow. Hey, the broom's in the back of the Jeep. Not that you can make it to it.
Check your bucket
back. What the hell? Holy shit, that's fucking deep. Oh. Having fun. What the fuck are you doing? Looks like we're the only one out here but the Jeeps and the plows. We're gonna let Hank weld this side. Hold on, let me get in position. Close my damn eye. Okay, go. Yeah, there's a little bit of powder coat on there. Beautiful. That's perfect. You still got it. Some of it, not all of it. At
least I got the welding parts.
That's it. You couldn't find any water to cool it off in, so. We got enough snow? Doing powder coating?
Yeah, tribostatic.
Nice. We can
made in Estonia.
Burn this thing off and maybe powder coat it, but ooh, she's hot. If it would only melt all the snow, then we might have something. Yeah, I got a foot or so of snow right up to the door. Amazing how much heat this thing holds. Yeah, that's better. One master cylinder bracket. Now I just gotta round that corner off because it hits the body. Beefy. You think that's beefy? Well, I came outside and lined this all up and let my friend Hank weld it. And I didn't have the master cylinder here, it's in the house, but I know where it goes, so is it going to fit? That's the good question, because with the body on it ends up in a different location, but I can mount it upright or I can mount it downright. Downright, you'll see it. So here's the idea. Here's the body and the frame. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but I'll try. I can either go here, like that, or I can flip it and go a little lower, like that. And then I got my pedal, pushes the rod down on the master cylinder, I run the brake lines, and it'll stick out a little bit, but who cares? Loving that seat. Can't wait to sit on it. I have 2 brackets to clean up that I got from Rich. One's for the rear pegs for the passenger. The other half of the clamp right here. And that's it. It's cold. We didn't even expect to get this much done. But Hank had to powder coat some parts, and the oven's right here. And we're both waiting for spring. This is getting really old. But that's the Saturn V. Oops. Whatever that was. That's the Saturn V rocket wagon. The rocket version exploded. Jeep's doing good in snow. And I'm going in. You have a good day. Hey, wave goodbye. Bye. This is Hank. Wave. Say bye. Here you go. I just got home. I asked my kids to shovel, and this is what I get. Oh, that's awesome. They didn't even dig out my Jeep spot. I have to make my own. Oh, it's snow. Alright, we'll make our own path. There you go. Oh, gotta clear the tracks a little bit here. There you go, now we got a nice little walking path. Oh, don't have kids.